These two doctors are spearheading the effort to leave Novant Health for Holston Medical. And only on Channel 9 tonight, they explain the main reason 40 doctors and their staff are parting ways in 2 weeks.
Charlotte's a very expensive place to get health care.
The doctors and nurses will see Novant patients up until March 18th. The next day, they're going to open up for Holston Medical Group.
And tonight, the two doctors sat down only with Channel 9's Gina Esposito about the decision and what this means for patients.
On March 19th, 41 doctors, including David Cook and Irab Sharawi, will open medical offices under Holston Medical Group. These two have been leading the charge since it was announced in January they'd be parting from Novant Health.
We're able to do some amazing things with Novant Health and push Novant Health. I think this is the next chapter.
Dr. Cook was born and raised in Charlotte. He says when Tryon Medical Partners formed last year after splitting from Atrium, that set an example, and they want to do the same in the Lake Norman area.
Doctors are burning out at an extremely high rate now. Is that they're on a hamster wheel. What we want to do is create a value system around the patient so that we're not having to see so many patients throughout the day.
Cook says they hope to create a system that makes health care more affordable for their patients.
Charlotte's a very expensive place to get health care. Let's find the best physician, the best facility, and let's say we can do it for $20,000. Why do it in another facility for $40,000.
Cook says they'll measure their success over the next 2 years. One thing they hope to implement through technology, give patients more control of their medical records to streamline services.
Because right now, when you don't have that, the care becomes fragmented, duplicated. There's frustration on the part of the patient, frustration on the part of the provider, and it absolutely increases healthcare costs.
Thousands of patients have already scheduled new appointments with their doctors, and Sharari says they plan to show their appreciation.
Thank them very much.
Thank you, Gina. The doctors say they are currently in the process of remodeling 13 offices in the Lake Norman area. They're still working out the details with patients' insurance companies, but their goal is to serve anyone, no matter what.